How's it going? Welcome back to Video Update 5. Today I'm standing in the old Chives dining room where we are in progress of completing demolition in preparation for new walls. I'm now standing in the new entryway to the great room where we have completed demo, completed framing, began hanging and finished drywall and prep for paint. We're also in process of roughing in all the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing for this space. I'm now standing in the ground floor bathrooms where we have completed demo. We saw cut the slab on grade to install new plumbing undergrounds, and we are in preparation of infilling the trenches, backfilling the concrete, and beginning interior framing and layout of the new bathrooms. In the ground floor corridor, we have removed the old wall covering and have started to refinish the walls and started paint in preparation for new flooring within the next couple of weeks. I'm now standing in the Wellness Edition where the refinishing of the floor is ongoing. Be on the lookout to BV Daily News for an update on the flooring in the near future.